Dive into luxury just steps from the beach at Sandpiper Cove 203, your ultimate vacation retreat. Welcome to a sneak peek of your next incredible vacation destination at Sandpiper's Cove 203. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can bring you some more of these incredible vacation rentals. As soon as you step inside this 1,790 square foot condo, you're greeted with a spacious open floor plan and full wood tile throughout the condo, except for in the bedrooms, which has carpet. The fully equipped kitchen is a food lover's dream, bustling with the latest of stainless steel appliances, full-size refrigerator, full stove and range, over-the-range microwave, and even a dishwasher to clean up after the mess. The wide open floor plan and spacious living room opens up into the balcony area, and this door opens wide open where you can enjoy dinner at the table outside, enjoy a fabulous view overlooking the pool, and even enjoy maybe a coffee or afternoon cocktails sitting in these comfy seats. Now, one more thing that this balcony does is it opens also into the master suite. Well, the master has an ensuite, but it opens up into the master. Retreat to this amazing master bedroom with a king-size bed, flat screen TV, and its very own ensuite back this way. We'll show you that in just a second. Not only does the master bedroom have two massive walk-in closets, but it also has a wonderful ensuite with a dual sink vanity, walk-in shower, which is huge by the way, and what I like best, its own separate water closet. Now the second bedroom also has its own large walk-in closet, a queen-size bed, its own whole dresser here, but what's nice too is the guest bathroom opens up into this bedroom. So you have almost kind of an ensuite here. Now this bathroom has a shower tub combo and a single vanity top. All the beautiful cabinetry in this condo is also topped with granite. Now this is the third bedroom in this condo, which is the smallest of the three, but still very efficient, with 2 twin-size beds and still its own flat screen TV. Plus it has a closet. One last great feature of this condo is it has its own washer and dryer, so you don't have to pack so much when you come on vacation. You wash all your laundry while you're here. Especially good for those longer stays, like a week or more.
And let's not forget the building amenities. Take a dip in the heated waterfront pool or unwind in the hot tub.
While the Sandpiper's Cove is about a 10-minute walk to the beach, is well worth it with all the included amenities such as the beautiful waterfront pool and hot tub, and you could see by its incredible interior. There are also plenty of restaurants and bars within walking distance of the condo. If you'd like more details about this condo, or if you'd like to book a vacation here, look in the details below for a link. And don't forget, subscribe and like us so we can bring you more of these vacation rentals. And remember, keep discovering.